Here's a typical morning at the corner of the highway and the medical center. Which is only a 2-block walk from me. There's a parking lot and there's a food truck there which sells lunch supplies. A lot of workers buy their lunch sandwiches. And here's the Sunset Crest Medical Center. It's gonna be a lovely day. Look at the nice clouds. No rain showers happening. I always carry an umbrella because you can get rain showers happening that don't last very long. And I also use it for the sun. And just right there, like only a 2-minute walk from my little studio, is the highway, and across the street there, you can see there's a gap in the fence there, is the ocean. And here's the information for the Sunset Crest Medical Center. They've got radiology services here. Sunset Crest Medical Center, that's what is here. There's also insurance agency here. And there's a pharmacy here, so once you see a doctor, you can get your pharmacy needs, your medication taken care of right at the same site. Over the years, I've accessed their services once or twice and have always been pleased. I enjoy just watching life go by, looking at the different vehicles. It's a quiet morning right now. It's 9:30, so the major traffic has died down. So this is the parking lot across from the medical center, and taxis park over here. You see one pulling up right now. And here's a popular restaurant and a liquor store. A popular breakfast spot, and it's open all day till 3 p.m. And it's popular because it's shaded and you can see it's got a lovely veranda. Look at these lush trees. This is what I mean. A lot of islands don't have these kind of lush trees. So again, this parking lot is empty right now because we're pretty early. And there, behind the fence, is the ocean. You can see a bus, the blue bus. That's one of the government buses. And coming soon is an orange bus, and those are privately owned, and they're called the Reggae buses. They are very fast and very efficient and have a new bus every 10 minutes, so you can get around very easily on the island. This restaurant, Just Grillin', is on the way to Massy's store, and at night it's a popular eating spot. They have great dishes from $7 to $15 American, so it's a good budget restaurant, and it serves great barbecue ribs and burgers and fries and all those good things. Is the road, the highway where you catch the bus to Bridgetown, or you can go north to Speightstown or all the way up to the island, North Island. And then, as I said, the beach is just beyond the street there, but it's on that side there in that white building. And now we're taking one of my favorite walks while we go grocery shopping. So we are entering what's now called the CHATTEL Village in Holetown. And it's just basically now a collection of upscale boutiques. But the interesting thing is these were the original style Bajan homes, and they were called chattel homes. And they were put on stilts so that they could be lifted up and moved anywhere. And they've been renovated, obviously, and are really cute boutique shops. A lot of them are duty-free prices. And I never get tired of doing this walk onto the grocery store. So here we have, that was an upscale clothing shop, way beyond my budget. Now you've got a real estate office. And then they have free-range roosters and chickens hanging out here, which is kind of fun. Morning. And it's Monday around 10:30. I usually don't shop this late because it's getting warm, but I wanted to make sure I get some spring water. They were out the week of New Year's because everybody was stocking up for drinks. And this is the highway right now, low traffic, but you should see it at rush hour. It's 6 o'clock, it's backed up for a while. Everybody going home or going out to dinner. And here's another lovely, lovely chattel home. I love my favorite colors, hot pink. And again, here's the flamboyant tree, giving lots of shade. Continue on, there's I think that's the St. James Hotel across the street there, and the other side of it is beachfront. Inside this area are a series of little coffee shops. Some of them aren't quite open yet. And before COVID, they had lots of street musicians at night playing at the restaurants. It's coming back, but not as much yet. But last night there was a restaurant that had music and we just sat outside and listened to it. Oh yeah, here's a coffee shop. People enjoying themselves. Nicely shaded. Look.
Hi.
And Best Barbados gift shop. Very famous, excellent. And I'll walk you closer to it. It was established by a longtime British resident who passed away. She is a famous British artist. And here's the veranda, and they've got Certificate of Excellence. You can see the sign for TripAdvisor. Famous British resident of 35 years, just passed away, and now her family and daughter are carrying on her work and artwork. She did a number of books, drawings, artwork that made Barbados really well known. Beautiful work, and you can tour her house. It's like a plantation style house. You can take a tour of it. I don't know about this year because of COVID, but it was on the National Trust tour list. And now we're getting closer to Massy's grocery store. And this is a taxi stand coming up. And this lady is always here selling artwork. Morning, how are you?
Morning. Hi, Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
And what's your first name?
Maxine.
Maxine. Can you tell me, what is this, shells?
No, this is bamboo.
Oh, that's bamboo.
This is bamboo. This is shells.
Those are shells.
Yeah.
And what about those over there? Those are
And
just...
it's hypnotized and some precious stone.
Are they? Okay.
The black stone is hypnotized.
Hypnotite?
Yeah, from the volcanic rock.
Okay. And a purple one over here?
And this is magnetic. It's a magnetic bracelet.
Oh, really? Magnetic. Interesting. Good, thank you. Yeah, I'm doing a little video for my friends at home.
No problem.
Thank you. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Morning. Cab drivers meet up here, have a chat. Some guys hang out here all day, playing dominoes. All right, so here's the walkway. Now we got a huge parking lot. We're getting closer. Morning.
Hey, morning.
To Massy's supermarket. Hey, you want to be on YouTube?
Sure, what's your YouTube?
So you are doing necklaces. You make these out of gemstones?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Okay. And I should show your face, the lady who's making them. What's your name?
I'm not the
No, but you work
maker,
here?
yeah.
Okay.
Yes, please. We both, yeah.
Both working.
Yeah.
Hi.
Livingston.
Yeah, you want to be on too? Great. So you're just helping out the owner or selling it?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
So who makes the rings?
You actually not too long missed her. Her name is Nikki, and she's the owner of Arthur and Livingston, and we're located in 2 locations in Barbados. We're in Holetown, and we're also on the south coast
Okay.
at Lanterns Mall.
And what's the business called?
Arthur and Livingston.
Arthur and Livingston?
Yes, please.
All right, you're a good saleswoman.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. I'm
You're
going to be
most
shopping
welcome.
and get some water today. So
Yeah. So
Thanks for your
where do we find you on YouTube?
So you can see it's huge, it's modern. People. And now I can feel the air conditioning just as I arrived, which is lovely. Everybody's got their masks on, so I gotta get my mask on. And these people are all walking out because there's a shuttle that's gonna take them to their villa or this cab. And I'm sitting under a nice tree in the shade in Chattel Village. As I said, about 4:45 p.m. I just went to get some groceries. And it's a very pleasant temperature right now. Bus, reggae bus. As I said, only about $2 Canadian to get on. It's really good value. And that's it for now.